Hey, I'm Guy from R&H. This is our new press brake. So what this does is it folds metal. We can bend mild steel, aluminium, stainless steel, core 10 steel, pretty much all types of steel. So some of the stuff that we've made with the folding machine is these pillars on this curtain sider truck. So these are formal mild steel plates. These have been folded specifically for this truck. This is a 10mm mild steel plate. This has been folded on the machine. These are foot plates. R&H, we've custom made these foldable steps. So this 6mm plate's been laser cut and folded. You can see the hinge points. Here we have our pivot points. So that's a nice smooth action. So these get bolted onto the side of the truck. So this machine can fold up to 10mm plates over 2.5 meters. We use this machine predominantly for our truck components. So we'll cut stuff on the laser cutter, we'll get it folded, and then we'll fit them onto the truck. Right, so what we have here is the top die and the bottom die. We have a range of dies for different thickness materials. So over here we're using a 50 die at the moment, but if you look over here, we have heaps of other size dies, so we can pretty much do any folding that you require. Before we press, we load our parameters into the machine. So what we're doing here is we're going to give this 10mm plate a kink, 20-degree angle, and we're going to be folding it through here. Since we're only bending over this distance, we need the top die to be the same length as the bottom die. So here we go, here's our kink. We're going to check the angle and make sure it's 20 degrees, and then it's perfect for the job. So now this has been folded, it's ready to go into the truck. If you need anything custom made, give us a call at R&H.